So again, Mr. Prasad, you have been in this automotive industry and machineries for over 27 years. So with all your core experience, what do you see where this industry will head in your future? In general, automotive and machinery industries, construction machineries, and in general now AI is
Right.
something that has cracked everything. So where are we heading?
Well, I would say it's a scary part. The artificial intelligence have come. The reason why I'm saying scary is maybe we are going at very fast-paced kind of a life, especially as AI has come into the play. But yes, certainly automotives are much more in advance in terms of technology, in terms of quality and everything, and our construction machineries are catching up. Ideally, it's because it doesn't need a very hi-fi kind of features and technology. But I've been just seeing the evolution of this. From 2010 I was not yeah from 2010 I was associated with the construction equipment business where it has evolved. It has changed a lot. One of the classic example is I will say that Volvo construction equipment. They displayed a technology in one of the XCon where you can sit from here and you can see the complete remote site working in Sweden. Well connected missions. Like you have haulers, you have a dump trucks, you have excavator, you have another mission where everything is electrically operated, interconnected, and self-charged, working in the site. So this I'm saying about close to 6 years ago.
Okay.
So we have come a very long way, especially in construction, equipment industry. As I was saying earlier, the customer expectations have increased. In terms of affordability, yes, the technology is very expensive because it's a low volume industry. Like if you take a car, so you're talking about 20,000 cars, 30,000 cars. So the technology is affordable.
Right.
Whereas in construction industry, the technology is not affordable. Still, we are finding a ways to be much more optimistic in terms of our technology implementation to make it affordable for the customers. We have gone to an extent of now electrical vehicles have come. You can say a 30-ton loader, wheel loader. Such a massive loader is running on battery now. So electrification has taken over in our industry, and in terms of quality aspects of it, people expect similar to automotives. In terms of clean looking, and in terms of features, we are even going in advance in terms of voice recognition as well.
Okay. Okay.
So like that, as the industries are promoting, the things are changing very rapidly. And now AI into it, I also came to know that a lot of automated diagnostic system is going to come in our industry, so that the complication of troubleshooting everything can be sorted out very quickly.
That's amazing.
Hybrid vehicles are coming. We are pretty much not too much behind the race in automotive. Yes, but we are catching up according to the industry standards. There's always a kind of a uplift which automotives have, because of the customer you are serving,
Right.
compared to the heavy engineering industry we are talking about. So with the AI has come, yes, it's going to be altogether a different, aspects we are looking into it. Autonomous missions, auto braking, you name what, everything is under wrap now. Industries are exploring, they are doing it. In fact, if you take a farm sectors, that we used to have tractors. When I tell you a tractor, you think about 1970s or 1990s tractor with the wheels and things like that. If I show the tractor images now, you can't believe it has a LED lights.
Okay.
The styling, if you see that, in fact, I was recently looking into John Deere. John Deere is a very, very big company, US-based company, making tractors. In US, they have a lawns. They have a farm field,
Fields.
These huge fields, and they map through their, sensors. They know precisely where to harvest, what is the status, like that.
Machines know that.
Yes. I mean, if you literally see the farm equipments, the amount of technology they have, we do have in our paver missions, we have 3D scanning facilities there. 3D, which means like The sensor will do a 360-degree scanning and tell you that, where the paving things has to happen, the level surfaces and everything. So, so it has gone way ahead in terms of a technology. The question is more of affordability. Right? Not all the markets. Like if you see, even in Russia now, you take Russia, South America, they are into a tier 3 norms, emission norms, whereas India has gone to stage 5, which is a much more stringent norms in terms of emission regulations. So by geography wise, country wise, affordability is a major challenge. So not everyone can be able to afford this kind of a technology, but yes, we are pretty much advanced in terms of a technology to meet the customer and the market demand.
Yeah, that's amazing actually. It is surprising to know that construction machine equipments are closely competing with the automotives. They are adapting to those changes. That was surprising to know actually. That's amazing. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share it with the people who need it the most, so that they can build their business and aspirations around their inventions. Keep innovating and keep earning tremendously. Thank you.